Darrell Cartrip. What to say about him? Ex-Piston Cup driver, and I believe Piston Cup champion, and current Piston Cup commentator. Boy, he just loves the Piston Cup, doesn't he? He's just, just racing as a whole. Racing is just, his life. Racing is love, racing is life. And to be honest with you, they're not wrong, because I'm an F1 fan, but you gotta love the Piston Cup. It's basically NASCAR, isn't it? But with, the cars are actual, living, breathing, things. If you can call it that. I'm not sure what, animal group they're supposed to fall in. Mammals or whatever. Actually, can't mammals lay eggs? Because I don't think cars can lay eggs. At least to my knowledge, they can't. I don't know. I don't know. I could be very wrong on that. Still, Darrell Cartrip, he loves the Piston Cup. Actually, it was based on 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo, which is, by the looks of the things, it's basically like old muscle car or American sports car. Actually, 1977. Wasn't that right before? I think that was actually right before the dreaded oil crisis, where cars like the Mustang King Cobra, of that generation, had a big 5-litre V8, which I think was considered a small block back then. That only produced 140 horsepower. Yeah, 140 horsepower. How's a 5-litre V8, for God's sake? The oil crisis was absolutely, catastrophic for the car industry. Still, back to Darrell Cartrip. He's, I think he might be good friends with the king, but that could just be me telling fibs, as per usual. Yeah. I'm only pulling your leg, and now that's something I was lying about. Me saying that I tell lies. Forget it. Let's focus on the car. Let's take a closer look at the guy. Not in that way. So he's got the flames, which he might have had, or he might have worn as his livery during his good old Piston Cup days. They're very nice. He's orange and yellow contrast fairly nicely. Number 17 is very retro, 70s American style looking. If that makes sense. Hey, still got a light year tyres on. Just in case he shows all the young guys how to do it. I know how to race. How to race. Hey, you got a catchphrase on the side? Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing. Which I'm pretty sure the actual Darrell Waltrip says. DWstore.com. That's, advertising. Free advertising for the Darrell Waltrip store. Is Darrell Waltrip still alive? I think he is. I think I might have heard someone say he's dead, but I don't know. It's probably some sketchy news site thingy. I don't know. Got 3 window bars, but I'm not sure if they're that noticeable. Not sure how well we can see on the camera or on the screen, but those 3 window bars are there, shall we say? Not prominent, but they're there. I know that. Still, Darrell Cartrip is an interesting character. And I'm pretty sure he's one of the only characters that's, if not the only character that's, not from the Radiator Springs crew, that appeared in all 3 films. That's, fair play to him. He's just absolute legend. Both the Cars character and the real guy Have a great day, folks.